Hey, welcome to 22 DIY. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. So today I'm going to be making 2 easy Christmas DIYs. I'll leave everything I used in the description box below. Okay, so first off, I'm going to start off by gluing 3 of these skewers together. Now that I have all 3 of those glued together, I'm going to take this tinsel and wrap it around. So now I'm just going to tuck the rest of the tinsel inside of the tree. Now I'm going to repeat the same process with a gold tinsel. So next I'm going to take the small wreath ring and 4 of these skewers. I'm going to glue the skewers together at the top first. Now that I have all 4 of them glued together at the top, I'm going to glue them around the wreath ring. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this tinsel and repeat the same thing, just wrapping it around and gluing it periodically. Alright, and this is how the silver and the gold one came out. Super cute, super easy to make. And this is how the rose gold one came out. I really love the way all 3 of these came out. Let me know in the comment section below which one you like the most. So next up, I'm going to be using these boxes to make another Christmas DIY. I only ended up using one of the medium boxes. I did use both of these small boxes. And then I did not use this box, but I did use this other smaller Amazon box. Okay, first I'm going to tape all of the boxes shut. Once I had all the boxes taped shut, I stacked them to see how I was going to lay them out so I can make sure I wrap them so that they'll look pretty in the front. Next, I'm going to go ahead and wrap each box. Now that I have all of the boxes wrapped, I went ahead and took this ribbon from the Dollar Tree and made a bow. This is how the bow came out. Next, I'm using Fun Tack to stick the boxes together. I didn't want to use tape because I wanted to be able to move them around and I didn't want to risk ripping the wrapping paper. So now I'm just going to stack the boxes on top of each other. This is how it came out. I really love the way this looked. It was super easy to make. I really enjoyed it. I really love the way all of these DIYs came out. If you like them as well, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend. Leave a comment down below and let me know which one you like the most. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and be sure to check out my other holiday decor videos. Thank you for watching.